A quick check of what's making news in the health sector in our Health Wrap.
The Chandipura virus has claimed the lives of 8 children in the Aravali district of Gujarat. Chandipura vesiculovirus causes high fever and severe headaches. The virus primarily affects children and has been associated with outbreaks of acute encephalitis in India. Due to the lack of specific antiviral treatments, early diagnosis and supportive care are critical. Lung cancer is affecting Indians who have never smoked in their life, which in fact is the major cause of lung cancer in the West. The primary culprit remains air pollution in India, especially in urban areas. Chronic exposure to microscopic pollutants like PM2.5 can trigger mutations in lung cells, eventually leading to cancer. The risk is significant even for non-smokers who breathe polluted air daily. Dementia has been constantly rising worldwide. Dementia majorly causes memory loss and inability to make decisions. Early signs of dementia include insomnia, frequent nighttime awakenings, restless leg syndrome, interrupted breathing during sleep, REM sleep behavior disorders, daytime sleepiness, vivid dreams, and circadian rhythm disruptions. Detecting dementia is important for its effective management and, in some cases, preventing its progression. India recorded 1.6 million zero-dose children in 2023, leaving behind countries like Afghanistan and Pakistan. Zero-dose children, who defined by WHO, are those who lack access to or are never reached by routine immunization services. India ranks among the 10 worst countries in mass immunization, which is more than just concerning. Weight loss drug tirzepatide could be introduced in India soon. The drug has been crucial in controlling obesity cases in the US and Europe. The pending clearances are likely to be granted soon.
It's time for a quick commercial break here. Much more news on the other side.